So as you can see, this box is damaged. It's warped a bit and bees are coming out on the side. So my video today will be swapping out this brood chamber with one that is new, and I'll be taking you along and showing you how it's done. First things first, we want to make sure that our area is staged correctly and put the new brood box next to the existing brood box. It's very important so that you can just move them quickly over and move it back in place. Having all your gear ready makes the process go so much quicker. You don't want to disturb them more than what you need to. So this process will get the bees riled up a bit, and we're just trying to make it as quickly as possible. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to smoke them and let them calm down a bit, and then I'll start moving the top boxes off so that I can get to the frames at the bottom. I'm also going to leave the smoker right here so that they can get a whiff of that, and then I'll start moving the top boxes. So as I mentioned, this is a Autoflow Super, and I will be taking off the top box. Remove the roof. Set that to one side, and then I'm gonna just lift this one up and place it on. in front of the hive. And what will happen is they'll just move out and crawl back into the new hive. Unfortunately, my battery died on me while I was busy with the end part of that video. But as you can see, the bees are moving into that new the new brood box, and by this evening, all of them would have moved over, and then I can remove this this box and repair it and see how much the damage actually is. I think it's still repairable. But for now, they have moved in and they seem to be doing quite fine. Lots of buzzing around. I'm actually standing here without my bee suit on and they're not really bothering me. So I'll give them some time to start moving in, but they are slowly but surely moving into their new hive. So I hope you enjoyed that video. I'll be doing some more practical beekeeping videos and posting them on YouTube, so hit the subscribe button and the notification button to be notified every time I upload a new video. So thank you again, once again, for watching.